Welcome back. This is Benjamin from OpenFirepitCooking.com, and today we'll be starting a fire and a charcoal starter. So I had to go get another one. Mine broke, so I figured this would be the best time to teach everybody how to do it. I've been to a lot of cookouts, and it just looks like people don't know how to light charcoal sometimes, and they spray fluid on it or start cooking meat when charcoal's still black. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So this is a charcoal starter. You can get them anywhere you get your grills at. This side of it is where you load up the paper or any combustible material that you want, and then you put your charcoal in here. So we're gonna load it up. I'm gonna use regular charcoal today, and you can use newspaper. Sometimes I like to use the paper that comes on the charcoal itself. And you just roll it up, stuff it in the bottom, pack it up. You want to put it on somewhere that doesn't burn, so I'll just put it here. And then I'll load it up. And I like using a lighter with a long, so I don't burn myself. So you want to light it in a few different areas and let that fire just start going. And it'll start smoking and going, and then we'll get flames out of the top. It'll be about 10 or 15 minutes until this charcoal is ready to use. So thank you for stopping by. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back with OpenFirepitCooking.com, and it's been about 15 minutes. As you can see, the smoke stopped rolling out of this chimney, and the flames are pretty good. So the handle is here. It's got a heat shield, so you can grab it and not burn the hair off your hands, and then you can dump it in your grill. So if you don't have one of these is a great tool. I would invest in one. It makes your day a whole lot easier. Once again, this is Benjamin from OpenFirepitCooking.com, and thank you for stopping by.